Hi, today we're going to convert from the truth table to the sum of products. So when we are studying digital circuits, we've got three possible representations. We either have the circuit, we have the truth table which represents all the possible inputs and the outputs, or we have the Boolean function represented by a sum of products or a product of sums. Remember that a sum of products would be the inputs multiplied and added up, so it's a sum of all the inputs multiplied, so a sum of products. And the product of sums is the same, but the inputs are added and then you have them multiplied. Okay, so why do we have two representations here? Because sometimes you want to represent the circuit as AND gates and then add them all up, and that would be a sum of products. And sometimes you have OR gates and you want to multiply them at the end, and that is the product of sum. So it all depends on which type of gates you want to use or you have to use. Okay, so you have to know how to convert from the circuit to truth table and from a truth table to the sum of products or product of sums, and vice versa. So today we're going to study how to convert from a truth table to the sum of products. So imagine we have a truth table because we've been given the truth table in the exercise, and with all the possible inputs, in this case 3 variables, and the outputs. How do we convert that into a sum of products? Well, it's very easy. We just have to take note of the outputs that are 1. We just have to consider those ones. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. So for those outputs, which are 1, we have to write all the possible inputs multiplied, and then if the input is a 0, we negate the input. We write a horizontal bar on top. Okay, so I negate A because it's 0, I negate B because it's 0, and I leave C the same. And then we do the next one, all the possible inputs, and we write we negate the ones that are 0, so in this case A and C. We do the next one, and it's just A. And then we do the next one and it's just B, the one that's 0. And then we do the last one and none of them are 0. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sums of products, and that represents the function Z. Okay, so it's really easy. Just write down all the inputs and negate the ones that are 0 in the truth table. Let's look at another example. We have 3 sum of products, xyz plus xyz plus xyz, and I'm going to negate the ones that are 0. So x and y here, y and z in the other one, and none in the other one. So this is the sum of products. Okay, so as you see, it's really easy. Just take a look at the ones that are 1 in the output, write down the inputs, and just write a horizontal bar on top, or negate the ones that are 0 in the truth table. Okay.